Today I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet stitch. You'll start by inserting your hook into the designated stitch that you're working in, yarn over, and pull up a loop. This leaves you with 2 loops on your hook. You'll then yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. You've just created your first single crochet stitch. And again, we'll insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. If the project that you're working on is flat and worked in rows, whenever you reach the end of your row of single crochet, you'll need to use a chain 1 to start your next row. So you'll chain 1, turn your work, and then begin your next row. And again, you'll insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. And that's how you do the single crochet stitch.